Welcome to Morocco Method International, where your healthy hair journey begins. We bring you the ultimate in wild-crafted, raw, and vegan hair care. Our philosophy began with one essential question: why compromise your health and the health of your hair with chemical products when you can achieve radiant beauty with safe, all-natural hair care? Anthony Morocco, founder of Morocco Method International, began his work at the top salon, Kenneth's of New York. After years of styling, coloring, and cutting the hair of the rich and famous, he realized that the shampoos, conditioners, styling products, and hair dyes were toxic, harming not only people's hair, but their health. He set out to create an all-natural hair care line unlike any other in the world, combining ancient principles of Chinese medicine and Ayurveda with modern plant science. Anthony Morocco created Morocco Method International. Unlike many companies claiming to be natural, Morocco Method products are as pure as our wild-crafted ingredients. Each product is created using live ingredients that feed the hair and scalp. These raw ingredients supply live nourishment to your hair in the same way that raw, fresh foods provide wholesome nourishment within your body. Morocco Method products are created using a synergistic blend of natural and wild-crafted botanicals, marine proteins, herbs, and minerals. For more than 5 decades, Morocco Method International has been creating living hair products with no chemical additives, helping people around the world achieve the healthy, luxurious hair they've always dreamed of. Explore our website and educational materials and discover the pure power of Morocco Method.